Okay, so this is page 97 of your book. It's the only page I'm going to do, and then I would like you to do pages 98 and 99 at least today. To get those done quickly, you can do 100 and 101. Okay, so a rectangular distribution has the parameters a equals 4 and b equals 12. I'm just going to draw a little diagram. It's asking me to do one later, but I'm just going to draw one here just because it helps me. So I'm going from 4 to 12. It says show that the height of the distribution is 0.125. Okay, so I know my base here, my B is 12 and my A is 4. So to work out the length down here, I do B minus A, which gives me 8. So the base is 8. So to work out the height, I know the area equals 1. Oh, that was useless. I know the area up there equals 1. So area equals base times height. So 1 is equal to 8 times the height. So my height is equal to 1 over 8. It's always going to be 1 over the length of the base is going to be your height. So it's really easy. Now 1 over 8 is the same as 0.125. So height equals 1 over 8 equals 0.125. You don't need to prove that you know that. Okay, now it says to sketch the distribution. Now it's really hard to see on my computer as always, but if they give you a graph, you want to try and make it accurate as possible. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is here. And my height is 0.125. So if I say this is 0.1 and this is 0.2, then 0.125 is just going to be above the first one, halfway in between. So it's really hard with my finger to make this straight. You will use a ruler. So it's going to look like that. And it says show that the probability between 6 and 9 is 0.375. So the way I do this is that I know that 6 to 9, so 6 is here, 9 is here, that's a distance of 3. So that means I'm going to have 3 lots of my height, which I should have put on here. 0.125 is my height across to here. So that's my height. So my range is 3, so I'm just going to go 3 times 0.125, which equals 0.375. If I left that as 1 over 8, I could have just gone 3 times 1 over 8, which gives me 3 over 8, which is the same as 0.375. Other way of doing it is you could have gone, this is a distance of 3, this is a distance of 8, so my answer is 3 over 8, which is 0.375. Just as easy, or maybe even easier. Okay, this one gives me a distribution drawing already. It says write down the parameters of this distribution. So it wants me to find A, which is 10, B, which is, so these are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So they're going up in 2s. So 22, 24, 25. So B is 25. Now I need to find my height. Oh no, I just need to find those two in that one. So my height is here. Remember, I need to find the distance across here, which in this case is 15. So my height is just going to be 1 over 15. So height equals 1 over 15. We can also label that f of x is equal to 15. Okay. Finally, calculate the probability that x is between 11 and 14. So the range of that is 3. And my full range is 15. So it's 3 out of 15, or 3 lots of 1/15. Not too hard. Okay, so go try the next page questions after watching both the videos.